This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade softwares, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. Before that, let us look at the economic calendar for Monday. So on Monday 4:30 AM we have low impacting news for British pound. Again at 1:30 PM we have medium impacting news on euro coming up. And then we have bank holiday for Canadian dollar. At 9:45 PM we have high impacting news for British pound coming up. So plan your Monday trades based on this economic calendar schedules. Let us start our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, it formed a double bottom pattern. Then it retraced to the level where it started its downtrend. Currently the price action is in a retracement. Overall, when we look at the price action, it is trading within this range over here. It has not made new highs or it has not made new lows. It is on a sideways in daily time frame. Within this sideways, we are looking at retracement on the bearish side. Earlier, the price action was in a very nice bullish trend and it was respecting this trend line or support line, and presently it has broken this support line, and we can notice that current support line is acting as a resistance line for the current price action. And when we draw one more trend line from the lowest level, so according to this trend line, the price action is still trading above this trend line. So all the price action is still in a bullish trend. Only when the price action breaks this support line, we can consider it as a trend reversal on the bearish side. And looking at the current price action, from here it started its bullish trend and presently it has retraced 100% to the level where it started its bullish trend, and this level had acted as a very strong support level because we have noticed a price action to bounce back from this support level on the bullish side, and currently it is taking resistance at the previous trend line. And when we look at the retracement level using the Fibonacci's retracement tool, previously the price action retraced very near to the 78.60% of the Fibonacci's retracement tool, and currently it has broken 61.80% and it is trading between 50 to 61.80% of Fibonacci's retracement level. So even if the price action bounces back on the bearish side, we can expect it to take support on the previous support level of 1780, which is around the 78.60% in Fibonacci's retracement tool. So these are all going to be the resistance and support levels for daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, I'm drawing one more resistance line over here. Previously the price action was respecting this resistance line and has bounced back on the bearish trend reversal from this resistance line. Currently it has taken support on the support level of 1784 and it has bounced back on the bullish trend reversal. But looking at the current price action, it has to break this daily time frame resistance line in order to continue its bullish trend. And in the past we have noticed a price action to bounce back from this resistance line. So even if the price action managed to come on a bullish trend reversal, we can expect it to bounce back from this resistance line. I am drawing one more trend line to check the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame. And in 4 hours time frame, we can clearly notice that it has broken this resistance line, but the bullishness is weaker. It is forming into a consolidation around this area because we know that this resistance line is preventing the price action from trending on a bullish side. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. When we notice the price action in hourly time frame, I am drawing a trend line or support line, and we can notice that the price action has taken support on this trend line, and currently we can notice the price action consolidating within this resistance line from the daily time frame and the support line from the hourly time frame. It is under a consolidation over here. Wait for the price action to give a breakout on the bearish side or on the bullish side to take a directional trade. There is no trend in the price action for now. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Even though the price action has given breakout from this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame, the bullishness is still weak in gold. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, I'm drawing one more trend line over here. And here we can notice that the bullishness has been arrested over here, and it is finding difficult to break this resistance level of 1850. And the price action is moving on a sideways. Wait for the price action to give a breakout on the bullish side or to give a breakout from this blue color support line from the hourly time frame to take trades on the downside. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is consolidating, so I have given the resistance levels on the bullish side also and the support levels on the bearish side also. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame. In 5 minutes time frame also I am drawing one more trend line or resistance line. We can notice that it went on a very strong bearish trend and took support around the support level of 1830, then bounced back on the bullish trend reversal. Now it has given breakout from this resistance line, but again we have the daily time frame resistance line running over here. Wait for the price action to break this resistance line to take trades on the bullish side, or we can expect the price action to bounce back on the bearish trend reversal. So currently the price action in 5 minutes also is consolidating within this resistance line and the support line. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. This is all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.